Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well and trust you're having a good day. It is 3:21. We've got about 40 minutes left in the session here today. This was my second trade, if you remember. Nice 2-hour winner to add to the first 2-hour winner, which was also on the short side, of course, earlier right near the open of the day. And I'm just trying to clean up my chart here so we can look at another opportunity here before the end of the day. And that, of course, would be a form of a reversal trade, which is very often my afternoon trade, if I even take one, fading what happened in the morning, especially when we have a very significant move away from the open range. There's the open range up there. Of course, we have moved very far away from the open range. In fact, 2.5% or so. The actual future session was down significantly more than that. If you factor in all of this from Asia and through the UK session, UK of course actually being closed here throughout the day. But now we have put in a basing pattern here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 30-minute candles. I'm just going to show you what my mind's eye is seeing here. Relatively equal bottoms here on the 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. In other words, they tried to go lower but stopped going lower. And then of course we've made this move above these relatively equal bodies on these 3 candles, right? You can see that this candle closes in 6.5 minutes. We are also now pushing above this candle here. So in a way, we're kind of looking at a 5-candle reversal pattern as opposed to a 3-part reversal pattern. And we've had a 1, 2, 3 confirmation of a change in trend here on the lowest time frame being the 1 minute. Even if we look at this last piece down, this big leg down, this messy consolidation, another leg down here. Eventually we got that double bottom. Show really these 2 candles here on the 30-minute chart. And then here's that breaking above, of course, as you can see here on the 1-minute chart, which feeds into the stuff you see here. So this, of course, is the fractal stuff inside of this behavior. I'll delete that zone so we can keep this the equivalent, right? That's what we're dealing with right here, guys. You can see my cursor here on both charts, one there and the other one up here in this area. Okay, guys, we are back. Buy stop order, guys, right above this pivot right here. Stop below. All of this stuff you see here, not including that wick. I'm going to include these bodies and these wicks. This is a straight line, and I'm just below that there. Of course, I'm only interested if we break back above. And I'll be seeking a quick 1 hour here, guys. Now, as you know, guys, I am very firm on tracking all 4 models in the morning, right? The market open play and during the optimal trading window, which is the first 2 hours of trading from about 9:30 till about 11:30 or noon or so. In the afternoon, it's all about structure. In a market like this that is so incredibly bearish, this would be a 1 hour seek only, 62.25 points on this one if we break above before breaking below. And I'm in, guys. I am in long the NASDAQ looking for 1 hour here, guys. Here we go. Afternoon reversion trade. While we're heading for targets here, guys, I'm going to delete these markers to keep the charts nice and clean. From a structural standpoint, guys, this is what I'm looking at. All right, guys, we're back and slowly heading towards the target here. I just thought I would put a notation up here to show you what my target is, and that's the dynamic targeting of this prior high, which is this wick on the 30-minute chart. You see that there? The entry, of course, is break above prior candle high right there. After putting in this basing pattern, this consolidation on a very big down day, of course, and then just targeting, filling that wick. Basically a wick fill reversion trade, right? Just to get back to there, which is this area right up here. Very simple trade idea once again, but really did need to see all of this stuff before even attempting something like this. And of course, time of day is critical as well. And there it is, guys. Nice, easy trade idea here, guys. Hopefully, I explained it very clearly to you. So 4R on the way down, 2R, 2R, and then 1R on the way back in the afternoon. Thank you for being here, guys. Appreciate you. Have an amazing night. We'll see you again tomorrow.